Alright guys, this is how to get on and ride your Suron. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna jump and sneak at the same time. You're gonna wanna jump and hurt yourself. Ouch. You're gonna wanna sneak and then you're on. And then you just grab the right handle. And then you pop the front up. Keep that throttle twisted. And you can go anywhere whilst wheeling. Here, wait. Ready, guys? Watch this. Holy! Woo! Wait, we're gonna have to like lean it. Okay, then we're gonna have to grab. There we go. Okay. Oh god. Oh lord. I wish I had a body cam because this does not look like I'm riding a bike. No. Spider-Man. Whoa. I'm still on my bike. Okay, center myself. Then I can do this. Okay, ready? Backflip. No, come on. Backflip. I don't think there's any flipping, to be honest. There might be. I might have lied. I don't know. Spider-Man. Holy whoa. So my bike stays on, so I like keep like a rag doll. Oh shucks, I fell. Looks like I have to get out somehow. Oh, stuck on a wall. Oh, stuck on a wall. Holy shoot. What's happening? Oh no, my bike is stuck. Oh my god. My bike is very stuck. Help. Okay, hold on. I have to get back to my bike. It's so glitched right now. I'm so dead. Huh?